I will be doing this presentation today using MariaDB SkySQL. SkySQL is MariaDB's database in the cloud, sitting on a fully managed Kubernetes platform. SkySQL is the first database as a service to unlock the full power of MariaDB platform for transactions, analytics, and both. SkySQL is available through the Google Cloud Marketplace, delivering the same ease of access and unified billing of any other product in Google Cloud's rich ecosystem of solutions. To find out more information, visit mariadb.com/skysql. So, often we get asked if we can store JSON data in MariaDB. The answer is yes. More importantly, putting your semi-structured data into MariaDB brings with it many benefits that NoSQL database engines do not provide. We're going to grab some data from NASA. We're going to use a list of recorded meteorite strikes. To keep a copy of this data locally, we're going to push this data out to a file and pipe it through JQ. JQ is a command line tool. It is like sed for JSON. We can check the file we just pulled. As you can see, there is many recordings of meteorite strikes inside this data. So, we're going to load this data into a database using a combination of structured and unstructured data. Using SkySQL, I'm going to log in to a database. Let's create a schema. We will create a table for this data. This table will have an ID, set up as a serial. For those of you that do not know, serial is an alias for big int, unsigned, not null, auto increment, and unique. Ideal for an ID. We will then load the JSON data into a field called JSON data, which will be a JSON field. Finally, within our field definition, we will tell MariaDB to check the value of this data we are loading to ensure it is JSON, using the JSON valid check. This will look something like this. The JSON format is an alias to long text. We can check the create table by doing a show create table. We can see how the table has two fields. The serial was translated and our JSON data field has a check on it, and the JSON field was translated to long text. If we try and insert an incorrect JSON value into the table, we will get an error. And if we enter a valid JSON command, it will work. We can check the data inside the database by selecting it. So, let's truncate this data and load the data from NASA in. Let's exit from the command line. We can now write a little script to parse the data and insert it into the database. Once this is finished, we can check the data that we loaded. We can now query this data. Let's say we want to find all of the different strike classes. We can do this with the following. And if we want distinct values, we could add the distinct command around the select. Like this. We can now see there's 118 distinct rows of data. Or we could order that distinct data by adding the order by command. It is also possible to use JSON contains to search for particular data. Now, if we want to make use of our structured database, we could also create a new field on the database and call it name and set it to NASA's name value. And we're going to make this a virtual column and assign it to the value of the JSON. So with an alter table, we can do this. We may also want to give this new column an index. We can add to it index. Now we can check this table by running the show create table command. As you can see, we've now got the name and the new index. Now if we want to select some data from this table, we can see that we have the new name fields within the data. We could use JSON replace to modify some of the JSON data. If we select the record where the ID equals 91, we can see the location is Beaver Creek. We can update this record and replace the JSON value to be MariaDB. Because the name field is also a virtual field, this will automatically change. So if we check again, we can now see the name field has been changed from Beaver Creek to MariaDB, and the name column within the database has also been updated. Whilst this is just a very small demonstration as to what MariaDB can do with JSON data, I hope it gives you some understanding as to how and what you can use. As you can see, there are actually many JSON commands available to you within MariaDB. You can find more information on all of these different commands within the MariaDB knowledge base.